she is. Here's the beast.
Hi, this is Eggy Fitz, and welcome to my new baby. Now, this is a project I've always wanted to do. I know it's different from my flooring videos, but I'll still be putting them out. This is a work van, but it's going to turn into a camper van. As you can see from the intro, I put windows in it, rock and roll bed, kitchen, everything that I wanted to do at the very beginning, and I recorded it all. So in future videos, you're going to see everything that I did to create this van, and I'll put everything up there for you to follow along. Some bits don't follow along because I did mess up some bits, but you know, that's part of learning, isn't it? So you'll see it all, the good, the bad, and the ugly. So if that interests you, please subscribe and click the bell notification, and that would basically let you know when I upload my next one. And I'll see you in that next one.
Bits of paint chipped off places. Glue. Here's the inside. Needs a good clean. It's relatively good. Villa side. Dashboard's not too bad. Radio. It's not bad, just mucky. Aux cable in there. The seats are in pretty good nick. I think he had seat covers in here. All needs cleaning out. Pretty good. And there's a hole there. It's this thing. This that nav goes up into there. So that. So back to this. So pretty mucky. This was out of some shelves which he put in, and yeah, obviously it was a carpet fitter's van, and all his plying he's replacing. This is all going to be done up. All this is going to be stripped out, bulkhead out, pop top, hopefully windows. I'll see how we get on. But this is what we've got so far. All this seal, a bit of rust on the bottom of these doors. Let's have a look. Yeah, a bit of rust here. On the bottom of these need to be adjusted. That's what she looks like. It's normal roof. All this needs stripping out. Cleaning. There we are. So, pretty much standard. Alright, So let's have a start her up and have a listen. Neutral. It's not bad. Sounds okay. Windscreen wipers. Alright, windows. Oh. Oh. It's a bit jolty, isn't it? Have to be adjusted. What about this window? Here. Seems a bit jokey, good joke with sun, but other than that, pretty good. The bulkhead's got to come out.